Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we're diving deep into Canva and we will show you Canva tutorial for the beginners, the ultimate guide to master Canva. Whether you are designing Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or representations, this guide will help you master Canva step by step. So, what's this Canva and why? Why Canva? So, why Canva? Canva is a free cloud-based design platform that lets anyone create professional quality visuals using simple drag and drop tools. Here's why people love it. No design skill required, thousands of templates for every need, works on desktop and mobile, free forever with optional paid upgrades. Whether you are building a brand, making social media content, or just want to design better, Canva is best starting point. So let me first show you how to set up your Canva account. So first of all, you have to go to the Google search bar and search for canva.com. It will take you to this page and here you can see many options. So we'll have to first sign up. So here you can see the sign up button. We'll click that. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email. We'll go for continue with Google and now I'm logging in. Okay. So now they will asking me what will you be using Canva for? Small businesses, large companies, student, personal, non-profit or charity. You can select any of them you want. So I'm going to use it for personal use, so I'm selecting personal. You can select other options too. So it's asking me I'd like to focus on social media content, photo video editing, printable designs, and many other options. I'll just click just exploring. Okay, then they're saying try Canva for free. Okay, I start my free trial. We'll go for the free trial. On three, we can skip this part and boom. So it took us to the dashboard of Canva. So in here we can see that a search bar, and in search bar we search millions of templates. We can quickly find templates like Instagram post, resume, YouTube banner, etc. We can also create a design, like create a design, start from scratch or choose dimensions. We can start from scratch or choose a template or something. We can see here some pro templates. For using this pro templates, we need to purchase the monthly pack. So you can also use free templates, and for that you don't need to pay anything. You can use it for free, and all your saved design will be on the projects and templates tab. Here's the templates tab. You can see all the templates here. There are many categories of templates: business, social, education, video, marketing. Let's click on social media. We can also browse by category like Instagram post, and you can see here the Instagram post and all. And we can also search for Instagram stories, reels, Facebook posts, and Pinterest pins also can be found. And we can use many other options like brand hub, but for using this brand kits we need to purchase. We will not purchase now. We'll just use the free options. We can see here the Canva AI. As much as I know, Canva AI is also not for free. Let's try it out. So a rabbit eating carrots. Let's give this prompt to this AI and create an image by this. Let's go for this rabbit eating carrots. I imagine holding pixels. So here you can see it already made a visual for the prompt. I have given a fluffy brown. It also added some details to the prompt. A fluffy brown rabbit with long ears sitting amidst a vibrant green garden and all. So we can see that we can slightly use the AI, create an image, and we can also select the ratio of the image 1:1, 9:16 and all. Okay, let's just create our first design. Let's try it, create option, and then we can go for a new design, create new design, presentation 16:9 ratio. It can be that. Here we can see that there are many templates and all. We can select any of them and just get it here and also edit it, just like it's written project presentation. Let's say we change it to cover and then use later, presented by Larana group. We can also like type presented by reindeer. So you can see we can also drag and drop the designs here. We can delete it. We can also undo it like this, and we can also add some elements here. So let's see this element. Oh, okay, it's here. We can add this element here and the letter here, and you can see we can do this kind of things. We can also change the font size and all. You can see you can change the font size and also change the font style, like Leon, Tuesday, Leaks, Spartan, Chiffon, and Front, Elise, Open Source, Brent Tag Cover. Okay, you can see here you can also create many designs. I have just shown you a sample that it can be done by like this. You can also try your creativity and your skill here, and you can get many things done. You can also add shadows, outlines, glow, curve, and more. You can also do the animation stuff and many more. And after doing that, you can you need to export this, right? Whatever you have created. Okay, we have to go to the share option, click share, and only you can access. Yes, you can you can also share the link, anyone with the link, and then just share copy link, and then you can paste anywhere and give this link to anyone. And if you, yes, see, if you paste it anywhere, it will take you to this page. You can also download option, file type. There are many file types like PDF standard, best for documents and editing and emailing, PDF print, PPTX, MP4, JPG, PNG, GIF. SVG is for web design and animation, and it will take the pro version. Okay, PDF standard, we can download it here. Oh, it's just downloading now. See, it's completed. You can click here and see that it's already downloaded. Okay, you can also download the Canva. You can also download the Canva app for on your Android or iOS phone and make your design or edit your video or animation. You can do many things from this. And let me give you some final tips for mastering Canva. Save your favorite templates and reuse them. Then second of all, create a personal folder to track your design history. Then watch Canva's in-app tutorials for advanced hacks. You can also watch in-app tutorials for advanced hacks. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow like you do when you're making a graphics, when you're doing the graphics design thing or animation stuff. And stick to a color palette and font pairing for visual consistency. Here you can show your creativity and all. So there you have it, a complete beginner so advanced guide to mastering Canva in 2025. You learned how to set up your account, create beautiful designs, use smart tools, and export like a pro. So if this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more design and content creation tutorials. Got a Canva question or want me to cover something specific next? Drop in the comments. I'm always listening. See you in the next video.